In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize client projects in HoneyBook, Workflow Setup 2026. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. Make sure you're on the official site, then click Login. Enter your credentials as you normally would, and if you're prompted for security verification, complete that quickly to keep your account protected. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. The dashboard gives you a high-level snapshot of your business. You'll typically see upcoming items, recent activity, and quick links to what needs attention. Think of this as your command center, where you can immediately spot what's due or which client is waiting on a response. On the left side, you'll find the main navigation. This sidebar is your roadmap through HoneyBook. You'll see areas like projects, calendar, templates, and more. But for organizing client work, we're going to focus on projects. Click Projects to open your full list of client projects. Here, you'll see each project or client in one place. Take a moment to scan the list. Look at names, statuses, last activity, and key dates. A simple tip that helps a lot. Use a consistent naming convention, such as client name, service, month, year. Clear names make searching and sorting much faster later on. Select a project to open its workspace, then review each section to organize everything cleanly. Start with activity. This is your running timeline of communication and updates. Keep all client messages and key notes here, so the full story stays in one place and nothing gets lost in email threads. Move to Files. This is where you'll store proposals, contracts, invoices, and questionnaires. Double check that each document is the latest version, clearly titled, and connected to the right project. If something's pending a signature or payment, note it. Next, check tasks. Add any to-dos with due dates and assign owners if you're working with a team. Even small steps benefit from clear deadlines, so nothing slips through the cracks. Open financials to review estimates, invoices, payment schedules, and transaction history. Confirm what's been paid, what's due, and whether reminders are needed. Keeping this accurate helps you forecast and follow up confidently. Head to Notes for internal-only information. Things like preferences, feedback, or call summaries. Keep notes concise and dated so you can reference them quickly. Finally, review details. Confirm the client's contact information, project type, key dates, and any custom fields your workflow relies on. Accurate details make automation and communication smoother. Repeat this review across your projects, and you'll have a tidy, reliable system. With your dashboard, sidebar, and project workspaces working together, HoneyBook becomes a clear, centralized home for every client.